Turn years of spaghetti code into production-grade software in minutes. Watch how. For every senior developer, there's a graveyard of legacy code. That spaghetti Python script written 5 years ago, it's not just messy, it's a liability. The naive approach is to paste it into GPT and say, fix this. The result? It might compile, but the underlying complexity remains. You just traded technical debt for a hallucinated patch. To truly refactor, you need orchestration. You need a multi-stage pipeline that acts like a surgical team: diagnosis, planning, execution. Stage 1, deep analysis. Our pipeline doesn't just run a linter, it analyzes cyclomatic complexity, memory leaks, and function coupling. It diagnoses the ailment. The initial GPT call doesn't ask it to rewrite, it asks it to produce a detailed technical debt report. This report is the contract for the refactoring. This shifts the problem from "how do I fix it" to "here is exactly what needs fixing, and here are the quantifiable impacts." Stage 2, the plan. We prompt GPT to generate a step-by-step migration plan, a series of commits, effectively turning the vague goal into an actionable itinerary. It's about forcing the AI to think like a highly paid human principal engineer, not just a glorified autocomplete feature. Stage 3, execution. With the plan locked in, we feed GPT chunks of code and instruct it to apply the changes against the original functional requirements. This is where the magic happens. GPT doesn't rewrite everything at once. It refactors chunk by chunk, maintaining context and ensuring functional equivalence. Our Orchestrator script manages the memory buffer, sends granular prompts for each block, and crucially, runs automated regression tests after every change. This tight feedback loop, change, test, review, change, is what elevates this from a chatbot suggestion to a true engineering tool. The final output isn't just a cleaner code. It includes documentation updates, performance profiling data, and a usage guide for the newly optimized architecture. We went from a tangled liability, a fragile script that took days to understand, to a stable, testable asset that runs orders of magnitude faster. The modern developer's job isn't just writing code, it's managing complexity. An AI, when properly orchestrated, becomes the ultimate co-pilot. If you're serious about scaling your code base or integrating AI into your workflow, the key isn't the prompt, it's the process. Download the full blueprint for our Orchestrator script in the description below. Start turning your technical debt into engineering gold.